You won't believe how much Lovart helped me create this luxury skincare brand, from the logo and brand identity to the packaging and marketing assets. Almost everything you're about to see was created using Lovart AI. Building a premium brand is usually expensive and time-consuming. Today, I'm putting Lovart AI to the test to see if it can handle the complete creative workflow, from creating the brand identity and brand kit to designing packaging and marketing assets, all in one place. Let's get started. I opened Lovart AI and created a new project. I simply described the luxury skincare brand I wanted to create. Lovart quickly understood my idea and began generating the brand identity, packaging, and other creative assets. I simply described the luxury skincare brand I wanted to create. Lovart quickly understood my idea and began generating the brand identity, packaging, and other creative assets. After reviewing the logo concepts, I selected the one that best matched the premium look I wanted. Lovart then expanded that design into a complete brand kit, automatically generating matching marketing assets while keeping the branding consistent across every design. In just a few moments, I had a complete visual identity ready to use. Lovart continues generating the remaining brand kit assets. Within moments, the complete brand kit starts coming together. The brand kit includes coordinated marketing assets, ready to use. Lovart now automatically generates the complete brand kit. Here are the completed brand assets, all created with a consistent visual identity. Now that my brand kit is saved, I can instantly generate matching business cards. Lovart automatically applies my logo, colors, and typography, keeping every design perfectly on branding. In just seconds, Lovart generates a professional, print-ready business card that stays perfectly on brand. Next, Lovart expands the brand kit into a complete stationery set, automatically generating matching letterheads, envelopes, and branded stationery. Next, Lovart automatically generates matching shopping bags, extending the same premium brand identity to the packaging. Next, Lovart creates premium product packaging and gift boxes, automatically keeping every design perfectly on brand. From logo to complete brand identity, Lovart transforms creative ideas into professional brand assets in minutes. Lovart can also turn my brand assets into AI-generated videos. I'll use the same Luma Skin brand kit to create a short promotional video, keeping the logo, colors, and overall style consistent with the rest of my branding. In just a few moments, Lovart creates a polished promotional video that matches the same brand identity used across all my marketing assets. In just a few moments, Lovart generates custom font options based on my brand style. This helps maintain a consistent visual identity across logos, headlines, packaging, and future marketing materials. I save my logo into Lovart's brand kit. I upload the logo files. Lovart builds the brand kit automatically. My brand kit is ready to use. Now every new design stays perfectly on brand. Everything is saved in one brand kit, so every new project stays consistent and on brand. From there, Lovart creates matching packaging, product designs, and marketing assets in just a few clicks. Next, I add my brand colors, fonts, and photography. This gives Lovart everything it needs to keep every future design on brand. Next, I add my brand colors and fonts to complete the brand kit, giving Lovart everything it needs to create a consistent visual identity. My brand kit is now complete, with logos, colors, fonts, and photography all organized in one place. With one click, Lovart applies my entire brand identity to every new project. With just one prompt, Lovart instantly generates a complete set of on-brand marketing assets using my brand kit. Every design automatically follows the same logo, colors, fonts, and photography, helping me create professional, consistent branding in minutes. After exploring Lovart's features, I'm genuinely impressed by how much it can do in one platform. From building a complete brand kit to generating custom fonts, marketing assets, and promotional videos, the workflow feels smooth, creative, and incredibly efficient. If you're a designer, marketer, content creator, or business owner looking to build a consistent brand with AI, Lovart is definitely worth exploring. You can check it out using the link in my description. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. A special thanks to the Lovart team for creating such a powerful all-in-one AI creative platform. I really enjoyed exploring its features and seeing how quickly it transformed my ideas into a complete brand. If you'd like to try Lovart for yourself, check out the link in the description. Thanks for watching.